Hey there! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to edit any custom segment you've already created inside Putler. Maybe your business priorities have changed? Maybe you want to narrow down a segment, broaden it, or try a new filter combination. Whatever it is, Putler makes it super simple. Let's dive in. First, log into your Putler account. Choose the dashboard you want to work on. Here, I'm selecting Customers Dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top and head over to the Segments section. Here, you'll see a list of all the segments you've created, things like trial customers, repeat buyers, or any custom segment you've built earlier. Now pick the segment you want to make changes to. For example, I have a segment called Trialers, where the amount is set to $0. But now I want to update this segment and make it $1 instead. So I simply click that segment to open it now. Click the Edit Filter button. Now you can change whatever you need. In our example, I'll change the amount rule from $0 to $1, but you can adjust accordingly. Now, click Apply Filters. After you're done tweaking your filters, just click Update Segment. Putler saves your changes instantly, and here's the key thing to remember. The segment name stays the same, but the results inside that segment will update based on the new rules you've just applied. And one quick tip, whenever you want to apply a new filter, make sure to clear the previous one using the Clear button on the upper left side. This prevents filters from overlapping across dashboards and keeps your data accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.